we're going to do is we're going to start off with,
No, Miss, you're supposed to like do the action.
okay,
No, you're supposed to start over.
we're going to start off by multiplying, and we multiply from left to right. Okay, so what do we have first? What's in our equation to begin with? 3 times what?
3 times 2.
3 times 2 is what?
6.
And then we can't forget the
8. 4.
a. So we have 6a, so go ahead and write that down. And then now we have, I don't know how to make that dot, you guys. I'd like to learn. But I'm putting a big X. It doesn't mean a variable. It just means times. And so then 6a times 4. What's 6a times 4?
22.
Oh, so close.
23.
24. 24a. Okay, so is 6a plus 4 the same as 6a times 4? No. So we are not going to put a check mark there. Okay.
Miss, can I post my Instagram on YouTube?
No, hold on. Make sure you're putting the X's in front of the ones that are the same. 8a times 3. What's 8a times 3? 24.
8.
8. Good work. Good work. And then is 9a the same as 24a? No, that's just obvious. That one's really simple. Now, look at all that multiplying we're going to do down at the bottom. What's 2 times a?
4A.
2 times a is 4a?
Well, 2 times A is 2A.
2a times 2. 4a times 3.
6 times 6.
4a times 3.
12A.
12a times 2.
4A.
12a times 2. 12a times 2.
24.
24a. 24a. Good job, you guys. Okay. Next one, we have z's and x's. Make sure that you are paying really close attention to z's and x because they look the same. They look so similar. So how many z's do we have?
3. 2.
Okay, I know why you say 2, and it's because we look right up here and we think there's one group and 2 groups.
6.
But what's 4z plus 4z?
16. 8.
8z. Thank you. 8z plus, now we can do the time plus x. How many x do we have?
2. 2. 1.
Okay, remember we count with the number in front of it. So we have 8. Do you see the 8? 8x. Okay, so my question is 16z squared. Do we have any z squared or anything like that up here in our answer that we got? Do we have a squared number up here? That little 2 raised up is called a squared. It's a power of the power to the second power. So we don't have a second power up in this problem. So A is not going to be correct. Now I want you to solve B. Tell me if B is correct. Okay, there's a z and an x. We don't add 4 plus 8. We add,
Or you can do 4 plus 4.
8z plus what?
Plus
8x. Is that the same?
Yes.
So put an x there. And then, what's our next one say?
16z.
Is that the same?
No.
No, so don't put a check mark in front of that. And then this one is using the distribution property. So the distribution property, remember, we multiply first by the first one, then we take it and we multiply by the second set.
Multiply 4 times 2, which equals 8.
8
8x.